You know what is strange? There are video editors out there using CapCut and spending hours trying to get better at their skills without knowing that there is an easier way. Now, imagine having an AI co-pilot that helps you organize, edit faster, and even scale up your skills as a video editor. Hi, I'm Samuel Favor and this is TECHLENSIVE. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 11 ways that you can use ChatGPT to scale your skill as a CapCut video editor in 2026. By the end, you will learn how AI can literally upgrade your workflow from beginner to pro. So yeah, sit tight and let's get into it. Now, the first on the list is analyzing any editing style. Let's say you find the video you love on TikTok or YouTube and you want to understand it better to be able to recreate it in your own way. ChatGPT can break down the pacing, the transition, the effect used on that exact video so that you understand why it works and how it works. And that way, it is giving you all the information you can use to recreate that style in your own edits. The second on the list is what I call creative coaching. Yes, you can use ChatGPT as a coach if you want your videos to feel more cinematic or modern. It can suggest color palettes, editing styles, and even help you list out references, films, or other content creators for you to draw inspiration from. The third one is using ChatGPT as an AI-based trend tracker. Using ChatGPT can scan the algorithm to help you figure out the latest CapCut templates, trending sounds, or even viral transitions that you can be able to use so that you're always editing with what is currently hot, not what was trending 2 months ago. By the way, if you're serious about growing as a creator, then you should definitely join the TECHLENSIVE Telegram community. It is where I'll be sharing a whole lot of tips for creators like you. The link is in the description, so do well to check it out. The fourth trick is batch processing, or like I call it, multitasking. If you are editing 10 TikToks in one session, you probably get overwhelmed by that number. So that is where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT can guide you on batching your videos using templates and some assets to save you time while keeping the video editing quality as high as your output for just one. The fifth method is cinematic composition. Now, when you're editing videos, you might want to use your own clips or use stock footages. ChatGPT can show you how to frame the shots and edit them with rhythm so that every scene feels intentional, like you planned for them to be there. Number 6 is using ChatGPT to learn the keyboard shortcuts. If you really want to learn editing faster, then ChatGPT can teach you the shortcuts of the software that you use to edit and show you how to automate the action you really repeat every day. The 7th trick is learning the color grading. ChatGPT can help you make your videos to look cinematic by teaching you how to use LUTs, adjustment tones, curves, and matching color styles to a specific mood or vibe that you want to go for. The 8th tip goes hand in hand with the one I gave in the number 6, and it is technical tutorials. If you want to stay in the video editing space, then you need to learn masking, motion tracking, transition, and other skill sets. But without someone to guide you through, you might just get lost. So instead of that, just ask ChatGPT so that it can explain each feature step by step, including when to use them and why to use them. For number 9, I'm going to talk about using audio in your edits. Now, as we all know, audio is something that can make or break our video edits, and ChatGPT can explain how you can mix, use the equalizer, and balance sound. It is even able to give you tips on how to use royalty-free effects that actually makes your edit stand out. For the next tip, ChatGPT can generate a portfolio strategy for you. It can help you pick the best edits that you have made, then write descriptions about them and organize them into a portfolio format so that you can pitch that portfolio to attract brands or freelance clients that you would love to work for. And finally, ChatGPT can guide you on monetization. ChatGPT can guide you on monetization by helping you on pricing your editing work and building a personal brand as a video editor. In 2026, ChatGPT can help you turn all your tricks and skills that you've got so far into money in the bank. Because while skills are one thing, turning them into sustainable income is another. So yeah, ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot to text when you're bored. If used right, It's like having a creative partner and coach in one place. If you want me to talk more in depth on any particular tip that I shared, then like, subscribe, and drop a comment, and I'll make a video to explain each one better so that you can scale on your skill level and get to your goals. Once again, do not forget to join the TECHLENSIVE Telegram communities so you don't miss out on anything I'm working on. I'm Samuel, this is TECHLENSIVE, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.